Hello everyone and welcome to the 11th video of the Learn HTML series. For now we mostly displayed text on our webpage, but only text is quite dull. So let's learn how we can display images with the img tag. Let's start by opening our template file in our text editor. So here is our template file. Let's open it with Notepad like this. Here we go. So images can improve the design and the appearance of a web page. Let's start by creating an image tag in our HTML code. So we do this with the image img tag. It has a source attribute. So let's just keep it empty for now. And it also has an alt attribute. More about that later. Let's call this a farm field. And let's close it. Okay. So as you can see, the image tag is only a starting tag. It is a single tag and it doesn't exist of opening and closing tags. So now let's save this file. Save it as image.html. Now if we open this in our browser, we can see a farm field. So this is a text of our alt attribute, a farm field, and this means that when the browser can't find our image, then it displays the alt or alternative. Now let's go look for a good image of a farm field. So let's look for a farm field. And let's take this one for example. So let's copy the image link. And when we go back to our file, we can place a link here. This is quite a big link, quite a big URL, but let's save this. And now if we refresh the browser page, then we can see our image. So the HTML img tag is used to embed an image in a web page. The img tag creates a holding space for the reference image. So images are not technically inserted into a web page. Images are linked to web pages. The img tag is empty. So as I said, it contains attributes only and does not have a closing tag. The img tag has two required attributes. The source specifies the path of the image. And we have the alt, which specified an alternate text for the image when the URL is not valid. We can also create a link of our image. So we can place a link around it. Let's do this. And let's make it go to Google. .com/ and let's close it. We have to scroll down like this. Enter. Okay. So now if we reload our browser, you can see that our mouse changes into a little hand, and this means that the image is clickable. So if we click on it, we go to Google. Okay, great. We're now able to not only display text, but we can also display images on our web pages. In the next video, we will learn more about favicons so we can customize our web page a bit more. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.